It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Acadia Denali. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Acadia. The driver's door has power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, power folding mirrors, the programmable memory seat, auto express windows, and the child lock button. Down below, the power lift gate, and you'll notice this Denali comes with a premium Bose sound system. This is our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior with white stitching, Denali badging in both headrests, and a power sunroof up above. To the left of the steering wheel, we've got the telescopic steering wheel button, heads-up display button, and the park brake. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. On the right side, we've got the audio buttons. This is our digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, and OnStar. This is our rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom of the screen. Here we have GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation. And this screen doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change that camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. The far left has our engine push start button, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, the park reverse drive buttons, some USB ports and power plug-ins, and the wireless charging pad. Place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Auto stop start, traction control, hazard lights, park assist, heated and cooled front leather seats, lane departure alert, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, sport mode, and off-road mode. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is our front camera, fog lights, LED headlamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine underneath the hood, roof rails up top. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows, intelligent access on the door handles, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. At the back, the rear window wiper and the power lift gate. We're going to use the key fob, push that button twice to pop the lift gate open. In the back, we've got the tethers to fold that third row seating down, a power plug-in, cargo hooks, and a storage compartment located down below. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this 6-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows and a cup holder. The backs of both front seats have got seat pockets. The back of our center console has the rear climate control buttons, heated rear seats, and some USB and power plug-ins. To gain access to the third row, use the center aisle or pull the lever located on the side of the seat. We've got rear sunroof. In the third row, 2 additional seats, cup holders on either side, and a USB plug-in. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Acadia Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.